If you've ever wondered how to find archived emails on Gmail, this tutorial is going to make it simple. Archived emails are not deleted and they're not lost. They're just removed from your inbox, which means you can still find them anytime inside Gmail. This is super useful if you want to clean up your inbox without losing important messages. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, go to mail.google.com and press enter. This will take you directly to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, Gmail will ask you to log into your account. Enter your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're inside Gmail, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where Gmail organizes your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and other folders. If you don't see all of the menu options right away, click more near the bottom of the left panel. This expands the full list of Gmail labels and folders. Now click All Mail. This is the key section for finding archived emails. All Mail shows every message in your account, including emails that are in your inbox, emails you've sent, and emails that have been archived. The difference is that archived emails will not have the inbox label next to them. If you're trying to locate a specific archived email, use the search bar at the top of Gmail. You can search by the sender's name, a keyword from the subject line, or even a phrase from inside the email. This is the fastest way to find an archived message if you know roughly what you're looking for. You can also use Gmail search filters to narrow down the results if needed. When you find the message, open it to view the full email. If you want to move it back into your inbox, you can click the Move to Inbox option, which puts it right back where you can see it more easily. But if you just want to confirm whether an email was archived, All Mail is the place to check. A helpful tip is to remember that archived emails are still stored in your Gmail account unless you delete them. So if a message seems to have disappeared from your inbox, there's a very good chance it was archived instead of removed. That's why All Mail is so useful. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find archived emails on Gmail. Just open Gmail, click More, go to All Mail, and use the search bar if you need to find something specific. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.